Okay, guys, so excuse the mess. My husband made dinner, but he said he's about to clean up, so.
Wish I was also there.
Okay. So I'm about to start cooking. This is what came in my HelloFresh. So these are the ingredients. I got some mushroom sriracha, sesame oil. I'm not sure what this is. Green onion, zucchini, carrot, white wine vinegar, ginger, and then I have some. Sorry, y'all. I can see us is playing in the background, really loud, but I have some eggs that this recipe needs. So 2 eggs, 2 person for 2 4. Okay. So, anyways, I got some eggs. So let's get started.
This was back in 2014.
Baby, can I say that? Okay, guys. Now I do not have a shredder, so I didn't even finally chop it. But we like carrots in this household, so it's fine. I got some zucchini and I got this. So y'all, if anything looks weird, it's not HelloFresh fault. I didn't know that like it wasn't supposed to go in the freezer, so I froze it. And like we got in bed, so I put it in the freezer around like 3. And when we were in bed around 9, I was like, dang, babe, you think I should have froze the food? He said, no, what's wrong with you? Like, that's fresh produce. It's only a week worth of food, blah, blah. So I'm like, oh my God, right now, Sarah's put it in the fridge. So now it looks like weird, but that doesn't mean it's not still good. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to continue with this recipe. I got my 2 eggs. And I'm going to start the rice and then start making the sauce. This is my mixture. I seasoned it, but I haven't mixed it around yet. That's why I was like, this is what I seasoned with. Chicken seasoning, of course, garlic powder, and salt. I didn't add pepper because I don't feel like doing it. So guys, I don't know how to get the whole thing white without burning the bottom. Like, that one's starting to burn, but we're going to get it. This looks really tasty, so I'm excited. I don't like mushrooms, but I'm gonna give it a chance. The rice is almost finished. So guys, this is the finished product. Obviously it's not gonna be perfect, but I think it looks pretty nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and take pics and then start editing so I can get this video up. Thanks for watching. All right, babe. Be normal, please. How was it?
It was very good.
We apologize for the inconvenience.
At first I was scared because it looked very Asian-y, and I'm not one for most Asian meals, but it was very good. 10 out of 10.
Didn't need any meat.
No meat. Pause. Choji Felice. I'm a dog.
What?